This is just going to be a quick video today. I just got some of my new seeds in the mail to plant this year and I am super excited. But we're going to be having a giveaway in a couple of weeks for 10 of my favorite vegetable varieties. So these will all be open pollinated varieties, mostly heirlooms, and then there's going to be a couple of new varieties in there. I'm going to give you a sneak peek. The first variety we're going to be including is the black oil sunflower seed. These can be used for oil or they're great for livestock feed, and that's actually one of our most popular blog posts is all about black oil sunflower seeds and how to use them. They'll grow pretty much anywhere. Next is going to be the Flemish antique poppy. These are an edible bread seed poppy, so you can use the seeds, and they're also a beautiful flower. They come in different shades of pink and white, all mixed into the same gene pool. And then we're going to be including the striped Brandywine tomato. These are great for all climates. They do well in short season or longer season. And they're a really flavorful pink tomato with green striping. So like I said, we're going to have 10 varieties total we'll be giving away, and we're going to be doing the drawing in a couple weeks here. So make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss that video.